In today's video, I'll show you how to fix black screen with cursor problem on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you can try doing is try to reset your graphics driver. For that, what you have to do is go on your keyboard and click on Ctrl, Alt, and B at the same time. Again, the keys are Ctrl, Alt, and B at the same time. If you do that, you will hear a sound. That sound basically indicates that your graphics drivers have been resetted. And you might also see a flicker on your screen. And hopefully, doing that, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just go ahead on your keyboard again and click on Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. This is going to open up your task manager. You can expand this section. From here, what you can do is just search for Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and click on Restart. This is going to restart your Windows Explorer, and hopefully the black screen problem will go away. But if you don't find Windows Explorer here, what you need to do is just click on Run a New Task, which is going to create a new task. And then you'll get this Create a New Task command run window. In here, just type this explorer.exe and click on OK. This is going to open a new Windows Explorer if you don't have one already running on your system. And this is also going to fix the black screen issue for you. And then what you can do is click here on Open Navigation and then just go to Startup Apps. From here, disable all the startup apps from here. Disable all of them, just right click on it and click on Disable. Do this for all of them. Then just close this out. Then you have to go ahead and restart your system. But if you cannot normally do it, what you have to do is just go ahead and click on Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together. It's going to bring up a new window. From there, you can shut down or restart your system very easily. So just do that. And after that, when the PC starts, your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to fix black screen. Black screen with cursor problem on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.